Mei Bua Yim Long Ye Fai Yin Ye Bua Hill Eric. Hello everybody, my name's Eric. Hoi Town Hoi Ye Oi Hok Gong Mian Wa Gao Jin Ming. Each day, I want to learn to speak Mien a little bit better. Mpa Hoi Hoi Yum Hai Lo Yu Mian Tao Ye Gong Wa. But every day, I can't necessarily find Mien to speak with. When I Ye Ting Hiu Zo Nai Te Fang Nang Ua Tang Ye Ho Ling Gong Mian Wa. So I've decided to make these videos in order to practice speaking Mien. Ye Malam Ham Tong May Oi Tang Ye Ho Gong Mian Wa Gao Jun Ye Gao Don Ye Gao Jian Ye. I'm hopeful that you will want to help me to improve my Mien, speak it more fluently, speak it more consistently. Lang Jay say gong ye gong dong no, especially if I say something incorrectly or wrong. Ye gong dong tam, and I say a lot wrong. Unyu yim in hoi tao ming tao ga hing ming u hing ye nai phalang wa or phalang jan phalang jam pet kung oi gong Mien Wa. So from today moving forward in these videos, this Phalang, this white guy, is only going to speak Mien. To Gong Jiao Ye, please correct me. Any criticisms, any critiques, whatever, good, bad, ugly, let me know. I really want to improve. Leng Ting Tam, thank you. Nai, say Ming Cung Hoài Nam Nom Canai Như Tun Hang Han Kong Nam Nom Canai say Yin Lom Yu Nin Hill Zinny Zinny Mei Ming Hai Yum Yu